Yes. All of you open chapter number 10. See our body. And I will take revision today. I will ask you questions today. You have to answer me. So let's start. Okay, Pushpak, unmute yourself, Pushpak.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can see this picture. What is this?
This is head.
Head. Yes, tell me the spelling of head.
AGAD.
Head. And this picture, number 6.
Number 6. Ear.
Without seeing the book, you tell me, okay? Don't look at the book. Okay, Pushpak, very good. Unmute yourself. Yes, Ankan, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ankan, tell me what is this picture?
Cheeks.
Cheeks, yes. What is the spelling?
CAEEKS.
Cheeks. Okay. And I am from France. I speak French or Russian or English. Very good.
French.
Very good, Ankan. Mute yourself. Yes, Pushpak. Pushpak.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I am from Japan. I speak French or Japanese.
Japanese.
Very good, Pushpak.
Japanese.
Very good. Mute yourself. Yes, Tarshid, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Tarshid. Unmute yourself. Yes. Yes, Tarshid, tell me what is this picture number 2?
Nose.
Tell me with the spellings, okay?
NOSE.
Nose. And tell me, I am from Russia. I speak Russian or English?
Russian.
Okay, very good. Very good, Tarshid. Yes, Devatam, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me the spelling of number 9. What is this? First, tell me the picture.
Knees.
Knees.
KNEES. Knees.
Yes, Devatam. And I am from Kenya. I speak number 2.
I am from Kenya.
I speak Swahili or French?
Swahili.
Very good, very good. Okay, mute yourself, Devatam.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Ankan Patra. Yes, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, Ankan. I am from Japan. I speak Japanese or Bhutan? Japanese or Bhutani?
Japanese.
Very good. And can you see this picture? Number 8, picture number 8.
Number 8.
What is this? What is this? Ankan? Ankan, tell me. Hand.
Hand.
Okay, good. Now, Supreet Datta, yes, tell me.
No, ma'am.
Yes, Supreet.
गलती से रेजर टिप गया.
Yes, Supreet. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this picture? Number 7, Supreet.
Number 7.
Yes.
Hand.
This one, this one. See the arrow here?
Elbow.
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 Yes. And what is the spelling of elbow?
ELBOW.
Lanki. Tell me, I am from France. I speak. I am from France. I speak. I am from France. I speak French or Russian. I am from France. I speak. Option is French or Russian.
French.
Okay. And can you see this picture? Number 3. What is this? See on the screen.
Russia.
No, this picture, number 3. Chapter number 10. You see the screen. Where is my, I pointed my arrow. What is this?
Russian.
What you can see here? What he is showing? What is the body parts here? Name the body parts.
Eyes.
Eyes. Yes, Solanki. Eyes. Very good.
EYES. Eyes.
Okay, good, Solanki. Good. Yes. Yes, Tanvi. Tanvi Mahisal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. I am from Russia. I speak Russian or English. I am from Russia. I speak Russian or English.
Russian, ma'am.
Russian. Very good, Sanvi. And Sanvi, see the screen here. Name the body parts. What is this? Number 5.
Lip.
Lip. Yes, very good. Tell me the spelling of lip.
LIPS. Lips.
Okay. Good,
Thank
good,
you.
Sanvi. Yes, wait, let me see who have raised their hands. Yes, Lamia, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Lamia, tell me now. What is this, Lamia? See the picture here, number 6, body parts. What body part is this?
Listen.
Number 6,
Ear.
ears. All of you tell me with the spellings, okay? If you will tell ears, then tell me the spelling also.
EARA.
Ears, very good. Very good, Lamia. And tell me, Lamia, I am from Russia. I speak Russian or English? Okay. Russian. Okay. Now mute yourself. Okay, Ankush Guchayat. Ankush. Ankush Guchayat, unmute yourself.
Yes.
Yes. Tell me, Ankush. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. What is this body part? Name the body part. Number 1.
Head.
Yes. What is the spelling of head? Very good, Ankush. Okay, Ankush. I am from England. I speak English or Dutch. I am from England. I speak English or Dutch.
English.
Very good, Ankush. Mute yourself. Yes, Alvi Gore. Unmute yourself.
Yes.
Yes, Alvi. Tell me, what is this body parts? This number 3. Name the body parts with spelling.
Eyes. EYES. Eyes.
Very good, Alvi. And Alvi, I am from Japan. I speak Japanese or Bhutanese.
Japanese.
Very good, Alvi.
Japanese.
Very good. Mute yourself. Yes, Shreyam Dolui. Shreyam Dolui. Name the body part here. Number 2. Name the body parts with spelling.
Nose. Nose.
Yes.
Nose.
Very good, Shreyam.
No.
And Shreyam, where do name the state in which these languages are mainly spoken? Malayalam.
Malayalam, Kerala.
Very good, Shreyam. Mute yourself. Now, who raised their hand? Okay. Yes, two participants raised their hand. Let me check. Yes, Anurag. Yes, Anurag. Tell me. Anurag, unmute yourself. Yes, Anurag.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anurag. Tell me. I am from Russia. I speak Russian or English?
Russian.
Very good. And can you see this picture? Name the body part. Number 2.
N-O-S-E, nose.
Very good, Anurag. Mute yourself. Yes, Alvira. Alvira.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Alvira. Yes, Alvira, tell me. You can see this picture. Number 5. Name the body part.
Yes, ma'am. Leaf.
Say the spelling also.
L-I-P-E, leaf.
Lips. Lips. Okay. And Alvira, tell me. I am from Japan. I speak Japanese or English.
Japanese.
Okay, very good. Mute
Ma'am.
yourself.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have one question.
Who is saying?
I am Devattam Hatira.
Yes, Debatam, tell me.
Ma'am, you thought that the sun is the largest solar system?
Yes, Debatam. Wait, let me ask everyone, then I will answer to your question. Okay? Now mute yourself. And who is left? Yes, Anubhav. Have you answered me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anubhav, tell me. You have already answered, no? Anubhav?
No.
Anubhav, have you given me the answer?
No.
Okay, Anubhav, tell me. What is this, Anubhav? Name the body part, number 8.
Hands.
Hand.
Hands.
Hand. Very good, Anubhav. Mute yourself. Now, yes, Devi Sarkar. Devi Sarkar, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Devi, tell me what is this? 6th picture. Name the body part. Name the body part. Can you see the screen, Devi?
Yes.
Yes. What is the body part here?
Yes.
Yes.
EARS.
Yes. Very good. Very good, Devi. Mute yourself now. Yes, Ridhima. Ridhima Das.
Ma'am.
Yes, Ridhima. Tell me what is the body part here? Number 4.
Number 4.
Yes.
Neck.
No. What is he is pointing towards this? Yes. He's pointing towards
Yes.
this. What is number 4?
Neck.
No, not neck. He's pointing towards his cheeks. Okay. Cheeks. What is the answer? Cheeks. 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 Okay. Can you see here, Ridhima? Number 6.
Yes.
What is the body part here? Ridhima, can you see here?
Yes.
What is the body part here? Number 6.
Number 6.
Yes.
Yard.
Yes. Ears. What is the spelling of ears?
E A I R.
EARS. Ears. Okay. EARS. Ears. All of you will learn the name of the body parts very well. Okay.
Okay.
Mute yourself.
Okay.
Yes, Aritrika Patra. Unmute yourself, Aritrika.
Ma'am,
Yes.
my 2 question.
Yes, Aritrika. Okay, I will ask you a question. Yes, Aritrika. Can you see the screen? Yes, Aritrika.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, I am from Russia. I speak Russian or Bhutani.
Russian.
Okay. Very good. And can you see the screen here? You can see the
Yes,
body
ma'am.
part. What is the body part here? Number 3.
Ma'am,
See, first tell me the answer. Name the body part.
eyes.
Eyes. Very good, Aritrika. Okay. Now, yes, Suhana, unmute yourself. Suhana, yes. Can you see this picture? Number 5. What is the body part? Name the body part. Lips. What is the spelling of lips? Very good, Suhana. Now mute yourself. Okay. Yes, Kushal Bhaumik. Kushal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kushal. Tell me, I am from France. I speak French or Russian.
Friends.
Very good. Please mute everyone. Okay. Very good, Kushal. Yes, Rishabh Ghosh. Rishabh, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Rishabh, tell me, I am from Japan. I speak.
Japanese.
Yes, very good. And what is the picture here? Number 9.
Knees. KNEES.
Very good, Rishabh. Very nice. Okay, mute
Thank you,
yourself.
ma'am.
Yes, Ankan Jana. Unmute yourself, Ankan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ankan, tell me. I am from Russia. I speak Russian or Bhutani.
Russian.
Very good. And Ankan, can you see this picture? Number 8.
Hands. HENDS. HNDS.
Very good. Okay, Ankan, mute yourself. Yes, Parnik Maji.
Thank you, ma'am.
Parnik. Yes, Parnik, tell me. Yes, tell me, Parnik. I am from Netherlands. I speak Dutch or English.
Dutch.
Very good. And Parnik, can you see here the picture? What is this picture? Number 7. Number 7 picture. See this arrow. What is this picture? What is the body part here? Name the body. No, elbow. Yes, elbow. What is the spelling of elbow? What is the spelling of elbow? Yes, students, mute yourself. ELGOW, elbow. All of you mute yourself. Yes. Now, yes, Rishit. Yes, Rishit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rishit, tell me. I am from Russia. I speak Russian.
Russian.
Very good. Now, can you see this picture? Number 3.
Yes. Yes.
What is this?
This is eyes.
Yes. Very good.
I can mute.
Yes, you can mute now. Yes, Ishan. Ishan, tell me. Tell me. I am from Russia. I speak
Russian.
Very good. Very good, Ishan. And what is this picture? Name the body part. Number 8.
Hands. HANDS.
And very good, Ishan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes, Aritrika Naskar. Yes, Aritrika. I am from Japan. I speak Japanese or Bhutanese?
Japanese.
Okay. Very
Japanese.
good. And what is this 5th picture? Name the body part.
Fifth picture.
Yes.
Lip.
Lip. Very good.
Lip.
Okay.
LIPE.
LIPS. Lips. Okay, Aritrika. Mute yourself now. Mute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes, Tamanna. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Tamanna, tell me. I am from France. I speak
French.
Yes. And what is this picture, Tamanna? Number 6.
Which man, ma'am?
The 6th picture, name the
Ears.
body part.
Ears.
Very good. Tell me with the
Ears.
spelling. Tell me with the spelling.
EARS.
Very good. Okay, Tamanna. Good.
Ma'am.
Yes, Saptarshi. Saptarshi, unmute yourself. Saptarshi, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Saptarshi.
I can hear you.
Yes, yes. Yes, Saptarshi, tell me. I am from Russia. I speak
Russian.
Okay. And can you tell me, name the state in which these languages are mainly spoken? Kannada?
Kannada, Karnataka.
Very good, very good. Mute yourself now. Yes, Shem Dolui.
Yes, ma'am.
I think I asked you, no, Shem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself. Yes, Pranavi. Pranavi, tell me, I am from Russia. I speak Yes, I am from Russia. I speak
Russian.
Very good, very good. Now, can you name the picture here? Number 3 picture, name the body part.
Eyes.
Yes. Very good. Mute yourself. Yes, Fahim Ahmed. Fahim Ahmed. Yes, tell me, Fahim. Name the state in which these languages are mainly spoken. Malayalam. Where is Malayalam spoken? In which state? Kerala or Karnataka? Malayalam is spoken in Kerala or Karnataka? Fahim? Tell me, Fahim, Kerala or Karnataka? Can you answer me, Fahim? I think there is some network problem. Okay, Fahim, mute yourself. Yes, Fahim, can you hear me? Yes, Fahim, unmute yourself. Yes, Fahim, tell me this body part. Name the body part here. What is this body part? Number 9. What is this body part?
I am from Japan.
All of you
I
mute yourself.
speak or Bhutan.
Mute yourself.
Japanese.
All of you mute yourself. Yes, Fahim Ahmed, can you hear me? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this sixth picture? Tell me what is the sixth picture? Name the body part. Fahim, learn both all the chapters very well, okay? Yes, Advitya Banerjee.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Advitya, tell me where in name the state in which these languages are mainly spoken. Malayalam.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Name the state in which these languages are mainly spoken. Malayalam is spoken in which state? Karnataka or Kerala?
ম্যাম আপনার কথা আমি কিছু বুঝতে পারছি না
I am saying name the state in which these languages are mainly spoken. Where Kannada is spoken in? Kannada is spoken in
কন্নড়
Karnataka. And Malayalam is spoken in Kerala or Karnataka?
কেরালা
Very good. Okay. Now you understood?
yes ma'am
Okay. And name this body part. Number 3. What is the body part here? What is this body part? Name the body part. Can you hear me? Okay. Avigyan Sarkar, unmute yourself. Avigyan Sarkar. Avigyan, can you hear me? Avigyan, tell me. Yes. Tell me, I am from France. I speak French or Russian? Very good. Very good. Okay. So all of you answered. Who is left? All of you have answered, I think. Yes, very good. So all of you did very well. You have learned very well. Now, what you will do? You will learn chapter number. After this chapter, which chapter is in the syllabus? It's 14 and 15, right? 14 and 15. So the next class, I will ask you this 14 and 15. You learn it, okay? So children, the first picture, as you know about your body and body parts, look at the pictures and complete the name of the body parts shown below. So the first picture here is head, H-E-A-D, head. Second picture is nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Third picture is of eyes, EYES, eyes. Fourth picture is of cheeks. CHEEKS, cheeks. And the fifth picture is of lips. LIPS, lips. Sixth picture is of ears. EARS, ears. Seventh picture is of elbow. ELBOW, elbow. Eighth picture is of hands. HANDS, hands. Ninth picture is of knees. KNEES, knees. Okay. So these body parts we have to learn, and we have to remember the names also. And the languages, about the languages. See, I am from France. I speak French. Okay. I am from France. I speak French. I am from Kenya. I speak Swahili. Okay. I am from Netherlands. I speak Dutch. I am from Netherlands. I speak Dutch. Wait. I speak Dutch. I am from Bhutan. I speak Bhutani. I am from Japan. I speak Japanese. I am from Russia. I speak Russian. I am from England. I speak English. Okay, number D, English. And name the state in which these languages are mainly spoken. Kannada is spoken in Karnataka. And Malayalam is spoken in Kerala. Okay, Malayalam is spoken in Kerala. Okay, and here you have to fill what is your mother tongue. Your mother tongue is Bengali. What language do you speak? Bengali. Name one language spoken in your state, Bengali. Okay. So how many students have raised their hand? Yes, you want to say something? Any doubt you have, you can ask me. So all of you will learn. Okay, chapter number 14 and 15. I will ask you in the next class. Okay, I will take the revision in the next class. Yes, have you all got it? Learn chapter 14 and 15 for the next revision class. Okay, I will ask you in the next class.